Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with cash on Uber. So do you want to pay for your Uber ride the old school way? That's with cash. I'd like you to know that you have good news. Now, in select cities and countries, Uber lets you choose cash as your payment method. If it's supported in your area, here's exactly how to set it up and use it. Let's walk you through the steps. The first thing I'd like you to do is to start by tapping on the Uber app icon to launch it. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. On the home screen, you're going to see this option that says where to. So where are you going? Now go ahead and tap on that and it's going to take you to the next screen where you have that where to. So enter your pickup location and your destination location as well. Sorry, Uber just logged out. Now once you enter that, it's going to take you here. Now you're going to have to choose the asking for verification. I don't want to verify. Asking you to choose the type of ride that you want. Uber X, and we have career bike and you have moto, so just go ahead and choose any of them or whichever options are available in your city. Now before you confirm your ride, just below the ride type of fare estimate, you will see your current payment method is usually a card, wallet, or cash if you've used it before. So tap on it to bring up a payment option screen, and then from the list of payment methods, select cash. If cash doesn't appear, it means Uber hasn't enabled this option in your location yet. Now, once you've selected cash as the payment method, just go back and confirm your ride as usual. Now, your driver will be notified that you're paying with cash. At the end of your trip, simply pay the driver in cash just like you would a traditional taxi. So make sure to have enough money on hand as drivers may not always have change. Okay, so that's it. Now, you'll still get a digital receipt in the app and via email even when you pay with cash. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.